To begin this geode design, I took Maya's cheeks as my first color layer, and I'm going to apply it to my pinky as well to my ring finger. You're going to put a lot of layers of polish on your ring finger, so make sure that your layers are thin because you don't want to have too bulky of polish on one nail and not the rest. Once I've done that, I'm going to do a complete cure. Now I'm just going back in and doing a second coat of Maya's cheeks on my pinky and my ring finger. I wanted to make sure that the color was nice and consistent throughout the nail, so that's why I'm doing 2 coats of each color. Pop that under the lamp and do another complete cure. The next color I'm taking is Madamel. I'm going obviously with the lightest purple and increasing color intensity with each layer. So this one I'm applying to my ring finger and to my middle finger because I want to also do an ombre across my fingers, starting with the light purple and building to my nice dark purple. Making sure that you cap with each layer. Complete cure. Now I'm going back in and doing my second coat of Madamel. Just make sure if you get any polish on your skin that you wipe it off before you cure it. Pop it under the lamp and do another full cure. The next color we're doing is Love in the Mist. I'm applying it to my ring finger and to my pointer finger. And curing again. Just doing my second layer. This particular color, I find you need 2 solid layers, otherwise the color, you can see part of the nail underneath. It's a bit of a thinner base, just because it's our American formula versus our European formula. Do a full cure. And the last one is Make Your Mauve, and I'm going to apply that on my ring finger and my thumb. Of course, you could do this with any color combination. I just wanted to go with purple, kind of because it's sort of an Eastery color and fun spring color. This is just my thumb. I like to hold the lamp when I'm doing my thumb. Make sure that my thumb is nice and straight in the lamp. And you don't have to worry about it sitting on its side and not curing fully. And then this is just the second coat of my Make Your Mauve, and this is my final coat of the colored polishes. It under for the last cure for the colors. Next, I'm just taking my file and I'm going to start filing away. Now you want to kind of file at an angle, so you're filing less on the edges of your circle and more in the center of the nail, because you want to be able to see the different color layers as you go. And of course, I always wipe it off as I'm working so I can sort of see how much I've filed away. Now we're going to take Matter Effects top coat and we're going to coat the nail with this. And we want to do this because the chrome powder will not stick to the matte top coat. Once we've cured it, I'm going to apply a little daub of Clearly Frisky, and using my large striping brush, I'm just going to outline the last color layer on my nail with a squiggly line of Clearly Frisky. This is where the chrome powder will stick. I'm going to do a complete cure for that. Next, I'm going to take our gold chrome powder, number 6, it's Zenith, and I'm going to rub it onto the Clearly Frisky on my ring finger. This is going to give us that chrome-like finish. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my white stamping polish and I'm actually going to outline the gold on either side with the white. Because the stamping polish has yet to be released to the public, you can definitely use Meet Me at the Chapel or Lovee Dovee to do it. I just find that it tends to be a little bit more runny, so I prefer to use the art gel in this particular case, but the other options work as well. When I have completed this interior outlining, I'm going to do a complete cure. Once I've gone ahead and finished curing, I'm going to put a layer of Clearly Frisky on my ring finger, and that will seal the chrome powder to my nail. Otherwise, if you don't seal it with a clear top coat, the chrome powder will get rinsed off and worn off as time goes on. To finish off this mani, I've gone ahead and done kind of a foiling look on my nails. How I've done that is by applying a layer of Matter Effects to my nail, same as I did with my Geode nail, and curing it. Now I'm taking a small fan brush and some Clearly Frisky, and I'm just gently brushing the Clearly Frisky on the nail, doing complete cures in between. I'm going to take Milky Way, which is our holographic chrome powder, and rub it onto that nail strip that I had created. Now I'm going to do the other side, going the opposite direction with Clearly Frisky, and do a complete cure. And I'm going to take the Zenith, the gold one, and go in the opposite direction. Because I use the fan brush, it doesn't do a complete solid strip, and you can actually see some of the brush strokes in there, giving it kind of a foil look. Now we're going to go ahead and seal it all on the nail with a layer of Clearly Frisky and do a complete cure. And this is what the total overall manicure looks like. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.